Social media has been lying to you. They say, use 1 to 1,000 leverage. Turn $100 into $1 million overnight. But that's not real trading. I grew a $100 account to $10,000. And I didn't gamble. Today, I'm sharing the real secrets and brutal truths no beginner hears. Yes, leverage can boost gains. With 1 to 500 leverage, your $100 turns into $50,000 buying power. But it also amplifies losses. I used 1 to 500 early on, made $1,000 one day, then lost $1,500 the next. Here's how you fix this. Use leverage only with regulated brokers and risk just 1 to 2% per trade. Remember, leverage is a tool, not a strategy. Beginners trade every blip. Pros wait for a plus setups. These require a clear trend, a specific trigger, like a bounce off support, a defined stop loss, a profit target at the next resistance, and a risk reward of at least 1 to 2. By ignoring 10 mediocre trades to focus on one A+ setup, I turned $250 into $1,000 in 48 hours. Patience isn't about missing out, but letting impatient traders fund your account. Risking 1% on a $100 account means only $1 is at stake. When your account grows to $1,000, 1% equals $10, and at $10,000, it's $100. As your account increases, you can risk 2 to 5% on your best trades, but never 10% or more, even if you feel sure. I once lost $3,000 in one day by overcommitting. Reinvesting every dollar you earn is a powerful strategy to grow small trading accounts super fast. Consider 2 traders. Trader A withdraws $50 weekly, turning a $100 account into $300 over 6 months. In contrast, Trader B reinvests all profits, growing the same $100 to $1,200 in the same period. This illustrates the impact of compounding returns. However, it's important to avoid trading with money you can't afford to lose. I learned this the hard way. Always make sure you're using money you can afford to lose to protect your overall financial well-being. A $30 profit on a $100 account might sound like chump change, but here's the twist. If you only risked $10 to earn that $30, you just pulled off a 3R win. A trade where your reward is 3 times your risk, and that's the kind of trade elite traders dream about. Think of it this way. It doesn't matter if you win 55% of your trades with a modest 1 to 2 risk-reward ratio, or if you only hit 30% wins with a 3 to 1 risk-reward ratio. One setup. The magic lies in tracking your R multiples. It's not the size of your account that matters most, but the quality of your wins. By focusing on those high-quality trades that compound your risk management, you're building a trading strategy that truly pays off. Always aim for quality wins over simply inflating your balance. Understand your R multiple and let that guide your decisions. That's how you can really grow your account fast. Here's the reality. $100 accounts blow up 99% of the time. To trade full-time, you need at least $5,000. Use a small account to practice, build your track record, and then consider getting funded by prop firms or supplementing your trading capital with a side hustle. I kept my day job until I had $15,000 saved. Hustle first, trade second. There you have it. Use the exact steps in this video to start seeing results fast. Hit subscribe for more no BS guides, and remember, trading is a marathon. Run smart, not fast.